Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write prompt in Cursor AI. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is open up the Cursor AI, which is obvious. And then you will see, if you don't, go here to the top left corner where you see new agent. In this menu, select it and you will see something like that. Here you will see this shape where you can type in. Now, so when you want to brainstorm, explain complex bugs, or map out architectural plans without modifying your files, um, type in some text right over here. First, if you have Pro version, you can select also these models. Uh, so it can be faster, more deep thinking, and so on. You can also, with this plus button right here, you can also add some files, images, and so on. Now, for a prompt, let's say if you have an error somewhere, don't just type in fix the logging error, but let's go with something more specific like that. I'm getting a 401 unauthorized error when calling this endpoint, so on, that this AI agent will try to think more in this way, where you have the issue that you give him basically the starting point where he can search for. And yeah, then you can add or uh, delete something out of this prompt, specifically how you want it. One, for example, is also something like this. So implement a dark mode toggle feature, update Tailwind config to enable, so that you tell him what specifically he needs to do. So this is basically how you can write prompt in Cursor AI. So try to be more specific, more give him details. More you give him, more you can get in return. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you